Hey buddy, I have an exciting news for you. Shop for rupees 5000 at Amazon and get up to 50% off. That is, you have to pay only 2500. I'm planning to buy a mobile this festive season.
Hello, I'm Srinidhi. In this session, let's discuss about percentages. Firstly, let's see the definition of percentage and some important conversions. Percentage. What is a percentage? Cent came from a Greek word centum, which means 100, and per means for every. So, percentage means per 100, and percentage is denoted by the symbol. So, if someone says X percent, then it means X by 100. Now let's see how percentages can be categorized. Percentages can mainly be categorized into two types: simple conversions and relational percentages. Coming to relational percentages, there can be direct formula questions or conceptual formula questions. Conceptual formula questions are nothing but converting theory into formula. Again, in direct formula, there can be comparison between two things or percent change questions. While coming to conceptual formula, the concepts used in questions are based on limit, population, or expenditure. So, first let's deal with simple conversions. In these conversions, what kind of conversions are involved in this? Percentage to decimal or fraction, decimal or fraction to percentage. Let this be case 1 and this be case 2. For 1, that is to convert decimal or fraction to percentage, multiply by 100. And for case 2, that is converting percentage into decimal or fraction, divide by 100. In case 1, questions will be of this form. In the first question, they've asked us to express 3.5 in terms of percentage. So as it is a decimal, we must multiply with 100, which gives us 3.5 into 100. This is 350%. And the next one, given a ratio 5:4, this can be written as 5 by 4, nothing but a fraction. And they're asking us to express in percentage. So even this, if multiplied by 100, gives us percentage. 4 ones are 4 25s are 25 fives 125%. Let's see another question of same type. In this given, they're asking us to find percentage of numbers from 1 to 70 having squares that end in digit 1. So here in this question, what are they asking is squares of numbers, that is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and so on. 1 square gives us 1, 2 square gives us 4 and 3 square gives us 9, 4 square gives us 16, 5 square gives us 25, 6 square gives us 36. Similarly, if we look from 1 to 10, after squaring the numbers, we are having end digit as 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. So in the question, they've asked us how many numbers like this ends with digit 1. If we take from 1 to 10, 1 square ends with 1 and 9 square ends with 1. So from 1 to 10, there are two numbers following that particular case. 1 to 70 can made into 7 sets. So if one set have 2 members, then 7 sets will be having 14 numbers. So out of 70 numbers, there are 14 numbers in favor to this condition. We've got the ratio. Now we must convert this into percentage. This can be done by multiplying with 100, 14 by 70 into 100, which gives us 7 to 14 and 20%. So 20% of numbers from 1 to 70 are following this particular condition. Let's see case 2. Percentage to fraction. As I've said you before, to convert percentage to fraction, we must divide by 100. Here are few examples. 50%. So to convert this into fraction, we must divide this by 100. 50 by 100. 5 ones are 5 twos are, which gives us 1 by 2. Same in the case of 27. 27 must be divided by 100, which gives us 0.27. Or if you want to keep it as fraction, you can just say 27 by 100. There are few more percent fraction equivalents which will save our time. 100% is equals to 100 by 100, which gives us 1. 50%, which is 1 by 2. 10%, which is 10 by 100, 1 by 10. So 1% will be 1 by 100. These 4 makes our problem much easier. Now let's see how this percent fraction equivalents make our work easy. X% of y is given by x by 100 into y. Suppose they ask us 45% of 280, which is 45 by 100 into 280, and this must be done by 4.2 into 228, which gives us the answer. There's another method of doing this. 100% of this number will be 280 itself, and they're asking us 45%. To find this 45%, we can write this as 40% plus 5%. As we know 100%, it is easy to find 10%. 10% will be just keeping a dot before the last digit. That is 28. So 40% is given by 28 into 4 plus the remaining 5%. So as we know 10%, 5% will be half of this. That is 14 plus 14. 112 plus 14 gives us 126. Those who are not fast at doing decimal multiplication can follow this. Memorize the percentage fraction table in order to solve these questions.